This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Fundamentals class. I'm on course D, Lesson 6, Loops in Ice Age, Part 9. The acorn is so far away. Can you use loops to help Scrat get there? I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so a loop makes code repeat. So I can just put this here and move forward 1, right? But that won't get us much of anywhere. And it wants us to do this within 12 blocks. So I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to use a repeat block, and this is a quicker way of making me move forward 5. Oops. And then once it's done moving forward 5, it goes once, zoop, twice, zoop, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. It runs any code I have beneath it. So if I want to get that acorn, after it goes 5 that way, I want to go right. And then I'm going to want to go forward again. 1, 2, it looks like 5. Let's try move forward again. And notice this now has a 2 on it, so we only need 2 more forwards. Another loop, I think, with a 4. Except I needed to turn right in between. Move forward. And then turn left, it looks like. Repeat, I think, 4 times. Okay? And so what this will do is we're going to go forward once, twice, all the way to 5, then it drops below and we'll turn right, and then it hits the new loop 5 times. Once, twice, all the way to 5 and drops below. Let's see if this gets us there. Oh no, I must have gone too many. Oh, I just needed a 3 here. And if I just need a 3 here, once I'm turned, I'm just going to need a 3 here, I think. We'll find out. Oh, I turned left. Switch that to right. One more try. Awesome. That one was tricky. Great. Onward.